Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on PHP object-oriented programming. Today we're diving deep into the concept of inheritance, exploring how to extend classes and override methods. Let's get started. So, what exactly is inheritance in object-oriented programming? It is a mechanism that allows a class to inherit properties and methods from another class. Think of it as a way for a class to acquire characteristics from its parent. In inheritance, we have two main types of classes: the parent class, also known as the base or superclass, and the child class, also known as the derived or subclass. Let's take a look at the basic syntax for inheritance in PHP. The keyword extends is used to create an inheritance relationship between two classes. Here's how it looks. Class child class extends parent class / child class properties / child class methods. The extends keyword establishes the inheritance relationship, linking the child class to the parent class. Here is an example of a parent class. We define a class named vehicle. It has a protected property called brand, which means it can be accessed within the class and by its subclasses. The constructor method __construct initializes the brand property when a new vehicle object is created. The start method simply outputs the text vehicle started. Now let's see an example of a child class inheriting from the vehicle class. We define a class named car that extends the vehicle class. It has a private property called doors. The constructor method __construct calls the parent class's constructor using parent __construct $brand to initialize the brand property. It also initializes the doors property specific to the car class. Note that the car class inherits the start method from the vehicle class, so it automatically has access to it. Now let's discuss method overriding. Method overriding is redefining a parent class method in the child class with the same name and signature. This allows the child class to provide its own specific implementation of a method that is already defined in the parent class. Let's modify the car class to override the start method of the vehicle class. Inside the car class, we redefine the start method. This new implementation outputs the text car engine started. When we create a car object and call it start method, it will now output car engine started instead of vehicle started. This is because the car class provides its own implementation of the start method, overriding the one inherited from the vehicle class. Finally, let's summarize the key benefits of using inheritance and method overriding in object-oriented programming. First, code reusability. Inheritance allows you to reuse existing code from parent classes without duplicating it in child classes. Second, maintainability. Inheritance makes it easier to update and maintain code because changes to the parent class can be automatically reflected in child classes. Third, extensibility. Inheritance enables you to add new features to existing classes by creating child classes that extend their functionality. Fourth, polymorphism. Inheritance allows you to create objects of different classes that can be treated as objects of a common type, providing flexibility and adaptability in your code. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.